Alright, in this edition, we want to solve this problem on set. Here we have 3 items. In a survey carried out on job application to 3 newspaper establishments, 70 applied to Daily Times, 65 applied to Daily Graphics, 85 applied to The Punch, 40 applied to Daily Times only, 20 applied to Daily Graphic only, while 45 applied to Punch only. If 15 applied to all the 3 newspaper establishments, find number 1, the number that applied to both the Daily Times and the Daily Graphics. 2, the number that applied to the Daily Times and the Punch only. 3, the number that applied to both the Daily Graphics and the Punch. Then the fourth question that we are having there is the number that applied to at least 1 newspaper establishment. The last question, the number that applied to 2 newspaper establishments. Now, a quick one. We know that we are having, so we can just denote each establishment this way. Let's, in our Daily Times, let T equals Daily Times. And the number that applied to Daily Times, I have 70. Then 65 applied to Daily Graphics. Let us use letter G. So Daily Graphics. 65 applied there. Daily Graphics 65. Then 85 applied to the Punch. So P equals Punch. Here we have 85. All the 3 establishments we have 15. So all establishments we have 15. Let's quickly represent this using Venn diagram. Okay. Now, we have been told that Daily Times we have 70, Daily Graphics we have 65, Punch we have 85. All establishments we have, so this place is going to represent all establishments. Here we have 15. Now, Daily Times only, we're told that 40 applied to Daily Times only. So this is the position for Daily Times only, and we have 40 here. Daily Graphics only, we're told that 20 applied to Daily Graphics only. So 20 applied to Daily Graphics only. Here now we have 20. Then 45 applied to Punch only. So this place represents Punch only, and we're being told that 45 applied there. So this is 45. Now we can call this place X, Y, Z. Don't forget, you're being told that each applicant applied to at least 1 business, 1 newspaper establishment. We don't know how universal says, so we can call this one G. A quick one. Looking at this very place here, we can say that 40 plus X plus Y plus Z will give us 70. 40 plus X plus Y plus everything equals 70 here. 40 plus 15, this is 55 plus X plus Y, everything equals 70. Collecting our like terms, we have X plus Y equals 70 minus 15. And in this place, X plus Y equals, when 55 comes to this side, it's going to be 55, not 15. So 70 minus 55, we have 15. So this can be denoted as equation 1. Now coming back to this place, X plus 20 plus 15 plus Z, everything equals 65. Let's write that. X plus Z plus 15 plus 20, everything equals 65. Now we can have it as x plus z plus 15 plus 10, 20. We have 35, everything equals 65. Now collecting our like terms, let's take this one here to the side. So we have x plus z equals 65 minus 35. Here now, x plus z equals 65 minus 35. That is 30. We call this one equation 2. Then for the last part here, let's manage our board. For the last part here, we can say y plus z plus 15 plus 45. Y plus z plus 15 plus 45. Everything equals 85. Here we have y plus z plus 15 plus 45. We have plus 60 equals 85. So let's move this number to this side. I'll be having y plus z equals 85 minus 60. So here, y plus z equals 85 minus 60. This is 25, and this is equation 3. Now, what we need to do here is we are now to solve equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3 simultaneously. To make it easier for me, I can just make my I can make x the shape of formula here, or make y the shape of formula here. So to make it, I can say make x the subject in equation 1. So this is my equation 1. From this very place here now, my x plus y was actually 15. So here now, x equals 15 minus y, which I can call equation 4. So what do I do? I'm going to put in this value of equation 4 in equation 2, where I have my x. That is, put equation 4 in 2. Anywhere I have x, I'm to have 15 minus y. So instead of writing, okay, we have x plus z equals 30. So instead of writing this x, I'm going to have 15 minus y, then plus z equals 30. Now let me take 15 to this side. I'm going to have minus y plus z equals 30 minus 15. When this 15 comes to this side, this will become that. So here I have minus y plus z equals 15. This I can call equation 5. Now looking at my equation 5 and equation 3 closely, I have similarity. I have delta y, delta z here, delta y, delta z. So let us solve equation 3 and 5 at the same time. Here I have y plus z equals 25, and this other one here I have minus y plus z equals 15. Now y minus y plus z, I'm having 2z equals 25 plus 15, I have 40. So divide both sides by 2, and my z equals 20. I haven't gotten the value of my z. I think y plus z is actually, this is equation 3, and minus y plus z is actually equation 5. So put the value of z in equation 3. Now equation 3 says y plus z equals 25. Now what did we get for z? We got 20. Y plus 20 equals 25. Then y equals 25 minus 20. Our y is 5. Now to get the value of our x, we're going to put the value of y in equation 4. So put the value of y in equation 4. Our equation 4 says that x equals 15 minus y. Now x equals 15 minus, the value of our y is 5. So x equals 15 minus 5.